My name is Kiara and welcome to the Pavilion of Monaco. And so now we are in Monaco. The Pavilion of Monaco is made of different brick containers, as you can see here. And they're all used, and in that way Monaco wants to show us creative ways how we can really reuse everything.